Civil engineers play a crucial role in creating a sustainable and resilient built environment that not only meets the needs of the society but also integrates harmoniously with the natural environment. Civil engineers are essential in protecting and enhancing the natural environment while ensuring that the society's needs are met. Scientific principles were applied by the ancestors, which supported to drive off engineering towards modern innovation and research. Civil engineering is the application of physical and scientific principles for the design, development, and maintenance of both constructed and naturally built environment. As civil engineers, we are going to be in a position to change the world, not just to study it. So, we have to think about real problems and how to address those. As an example, on 6th of February, Turkey and Syria have been severely hit by a 7.8 magnitude earthquake. The combined death toll for these two regions rose more than 41,000, which was being recorded as one of the deadliest disasters this century. What was the reason? The seismic design codes have only been developed in recent decades for the regions. Therefore, all the infrastructures those had not used the latest design codes were severely devastated due to the impact. What must be the consequence measures taken by us? Seismic dampers or shock absorbers absorb vibration by dissipating the energy of seismic waves. Primarily, high-rise structures providing a grid of steel beams and columns to distribute seismic forces evenly, along with the diagonal shock absorbers. In our department, we have shaking tables to stimulate the ground motions that take place during an earthquake. Design standards must be carefully determined by foreseeing the magnitude of earthquake for the region the infrastructure is located. Moreover, the construction techniques and monitoring principles should add more value to the structural aspects. Now, you have received an overall picture of the responsibilities of civil engineers. Nevertheless, there is a lot to understand about civil engineers and the versatility of their job. Who are civil engineers? Civil engineers combine creativity with imagination and technical expertise to design your built environment. We design sustainable buildings and bridges to bring people together, develop a transportation system fit for our future, provide clean water, energy, food, and shelter to stand with humanity, build a world's resilience to climate changes and natural disasters. We improve the quality of the built environment for all. What are you going to learn in the Department of Civil Engineering? How to be a designer, tackle sustainability issues, take inspiration from success stories and learn from failures, carry out experiments to verify the behavior of materials and structures, extend the knowledge boundaries. Finally, you will be a master in design, problem solving, project management, and creative thinking. Remember, the power to make a difference is in your hands, and the Department of Civil Engineering will help you unleash it. Get ready to build the world that's never been seen before. Civil engineering has been the backbone of modern society, shaping the world we live in today. From towering skyscrapers to integrated bridges, breathtaking dams, and sustainable green buildings, civil engineers have been at the forefront of creating the infrastructure that supports modern society. Deployable structures, 3D printing, modular construction, and industrial digitalization are some key areas of advanced civil engineering applications. 3D printing in civil engineering accelerates construction by involving quick-drying cement. The marvelous structures can be erected by combining various features when blending scholarly application with this advanced technology. Besides, no excess waste concept can be possible by incorporating computer-aided drawings and large-scale industrial concrete 3D printers. The deployable structures can experience the configuration's transformation from folded to deployed stages. The application has become popular in aerospace structures and temporary components which require low storage and transportation space. The concept of modular construction is to construct the infrastructures off-site within controlled circumstances entirely based on the design code, which can reduce the time by half that of traditional methods. Industrial digitization redefines engineering practices such as how we work and manage information. Civil engineering has entered the digital age with the initiation of innovation, collaboration, efficiency, and engagement. Artificial intelligence, augmented reality, building information management, drones, smart sensors, and mobile technology are the approaches to industrial digitalization. MAS intimates thoroughly. MAS intimates thoroughly is a visionary departure from the standard factory, which is the world's first clothing factory fueled solely by carbon-neutral sources. Its carbon footprint is assessed to be 9 tons per year, being one of the lowest worldwide. Thoroughly is a LEED Platinum rating building that stands tall as a symbol of innovation and sustainability in the heart of a tropical paradise. One of the standout features of Thoroughly is its cutting-edge evaporative cooling system, which creates a thermal comfort zone using minimal energy. The structure delivers 40% saving in energy and 50% in water compared to other factory models. This impressive project was brought to life by the combined effort of MAS Holdings with Marga Engineering Private Limited at the helm as the main contractor. What's more, Thoroughly was conceived and designed with the help of top academics from our esteemed Department of Civil Engineering. Clearpoint Residencies. Clearpoint Residencies warmly welcome the future of high-rise living with minimum carbon footprint and lower maintenance cost, most significantly a product of innovative architectural design and cutting-edge technology. The design offers sophisticated urban living in a calm countryside setting. The green covering surrounding the entire building offers a calm atmosphere through its soundproofing nature and lessens the burden of air conditioning. Cross-ventilation mechanism is adopted to maintain indoor cooling. Rainwater harvesting is another appealing element combined with recycled grey water for sanitization and automated drip systems. Thus, it reduces water usage by 45%. With the intervention of our department, inhabiting this living tower would be more cost-effective in Sri Lanka. The Lotus Tower. Lotus Tower stands tall at a height of 356 meters, making it the tallest tower in South Asia and the 11th tallest tower in the world. The tower's design and construction were carried out by the China National Electronics Import and Export Corporation. This is a landmark structure in Sri Lanka that our department has been involved in. The construction of this marvel was not an easy feat. The tower's foundation is 20 meters deep and has been reinforced with 200 steel piles, each weighing around 20 tons. The tower was constructed using a self-climbing formwork system which allowed workers to climb up the tower and pour concrete at every level. It stands as a true marvel of civil engineering, attracting visitors from all over the world who come to marvel at its beauty and engineering ingenuity. Colombo Light Rail Transit. As the bustling city of Colombo continues to grow, so do the challenges of mobility and traffic congestion. The Colombo Light Rail Transit project is a transformative initiative aimed at tackling these issues and enhancing transportation options for the city residents. With 16 stations and a total span of 16 kilometers, this elevated rail system will connect key commercial, administrative, and residential areas of the city, providing a quick, efficient, and an environmentally friendly mode of transportation for over 14,000 persons per hour per direction, anticipated daily passengers during peak hours. This crucial infrastructure investment, which is being executed in collaboration with the Japanese International Cooperation Agency and the Sri Lankan government, has an estimated cost of 2.2 billion US dollars. Its completion is expected to not only improve mobility and reduce traffic congestion, but also boost economic growth and improve the overall quality of life of the people of Colombo. Flood refugee space. Sri Lanka is a country that faces frequent flooding with disastrous consequences. In response, disaster-resilient buildings have become essential, but designing an entire structure to withstand such events can be financially, temporally, and aesthetically challenging. That's where fully disaster-resistant rooms, also known as refugee spaces, come in as a cost-effective and easily integrated solution into the design. These rooms provide crucial facilities such as sanitation, storage, and kitchens, and can offer refuge spaces during extreme floods. They are also accessible from the roof level, which is cyclone resistant and non-lightning attractive. This collaborative project involving the University of Moratuwa, the University of Bath, and the National Building Research Organisation of Sri Lanka is a prime example of successful national-level efforts to address this issue. Altair Building, a high-rise tower located in the heart of Colombo, Sri Lanka. The structural design of this building is a marvel of modern engineering. Featuring a reinforced concrete core and perimeter frame, the building also boasts a steel mega frame at its crown. This mega frame not only provides lateral support to the upper portion of the building, but also serves as a stunning architectural feature. To support the weight of the building, a raft slab foundation is used, supported by piles, to distribute the weight evenly across the ground. The Altair building can withstand the forces of wind and earthquakes while also providing a unique and striking appearance. Rectification of the Ginigathena landslide. Sri Lanka is a country with a picturesque landscape and an extensive road and railway network. However, our engineers face a considerable challenge in mitigating landslides in the transport network, and sloping grounds in the country are formed of different rock types, making them susceptible to landslides, triggering an excessive rainfall. One such example of how Sri Lankan engineers rectified the Ginigathena landslide, which occurred due to an unplanned excavation to widen the road. The marsh area at the top was a primary concern, and Sri Lankan engineers lowered the groundwater levels by using surface and subsurface drains. The engineers used SeepW and SlopeW softwares for numerical analysis to ensure the slope stability after completion of all rectification. As the famous engineer Theodore von Karman once said, "Scientists study the world as it is. Engineers create the world that has never been." Welcome to the Department of Civil Engineering at the prestigious University of Moratuwa, which is one of the premier civil engineering departments in Sri Lanka, with a long history since 1972, where we produced more than 4,000 top-notch civil engineers to the world of work. Our vision is to be a center of excellence of higher learning, research, and related activities with emphasis on national relevance, international recognition, innovation, and creativity in civil engineering. Our mission is to develop educational programs that provide educational, research, and professional experience that enables our graduates to become leaders in their professional careers, to pursue excellence in research, and to serve the profession, community, and the nation, and be competitive in the international arena. The Department of Civil Engineering boasts a sprawling complex that is teeming with state-of-the-art facilities designed to give students the tools and the resources they need to succeed. The department is housed in its own building complex at a picturesque site bordering the northeastern boundary of the university, fringed by the Bolgoda Lake. The Civil Engineering Building Complex has many features of civil engineering design and construction and consists of a total built area of nearly 8,000 square meters. The department complex is comprised of the main building, Civil Engineering Research Center, UNESCO Madanjit Singh Centre of South Asia Water Management, Rock Mechanics Laboratory, and Payment Research Building as the main components.
Welcome to the Department of Civil Engineering, University of Moratuwa. As you embark on this new journey, I would like to share some words of encouragement and inspiration as the head Department of Civil Engineering, University of Moratuwa. Civil engineering is a field that has the power to shape the world and improve the lives of people. As you can see, the bare land will be converted into usable cities. Unplanned cities will be converted into planned and greener cities. The most important resource in the planet, water. Who figures out water flowing from point A to point B? That would be civil engineers, whose job is to design, create, and build new, better infrastructure. That would be civil engineers. Buildings are the largest contributors to greenhouse gases. Who has the power to make better buildings, more efficient buildings? That would be civil engineers. What is required for us to enjoy cities full of self-driving cars with fewer accidents, less traffic? That is traffic engineering. It's a branch of civil engineering. Urbanization means we have less land on which to build, so we must go taller. Who designs tall buildings? That's smart civil engineers. To have a smart planet, we need smart cities, which require smart buildings. Who builds smart buildings? Smart civil engineers. So what do we do in the department? We have a good set of infrastructure and wealth of knowledge with well-qualified academic staff who obtain their PhDs and other postgraduate qualifications from top-level universities all over the world. And our degree is accredited by Washington Accord, which is a multilateral agreement on mobility of professional engineers. So we are fully accredited by Washington Accord through Institution of Engineers Sri Lanka. Our course is externally reviewed by a professor of University of Cambridge, United Kingdom. And we do have a well-balanced academic study program with 8 semesters, a sound industrial training program, field visits, survey camp, and state-of-the-art research reviewed by the industry. And not only that, we do have social programs and the career guidance and outbound programs. As you embark on your journey as civil engineering undergraduates, I encourage you to take the maximum advantage of all opportunities, both inside and outside the classroom. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and never stop asking questions. So I have no doubt that with hard work, determination, and a passion for making the world a better place, you will go on to achieve great things and make significant contributions to the field of civil engineering. Welcome to the start of an exciting and rewarding journey. Thank you very much.
Starting college can be a daunting experience, especially if you're studying civil engineering. But don't worry, your degree can open up a world of possibilities. Are you worried that our civil engineering degree might limit your options? Think again. Some of our graduates have gone on to lead the teams that design and build the infrastructure that keeps our world moving.
Hi, I'm Chartered Engineer Samita Jayakoti. I have passed out from the University of Moratuwa with the first class honours in civil engineering. From the very inception, I embarked upon to the construction industry as a project engineer, that is at ICC. And at the moment, I render my services as a director at RDC, the oldest consultancy group in Sri Lanka in engineering. And I have contributed to more than 15 major projects as a team leader, despite the temporary economic downturn the civil engineers generally have ample job opportunities all over the globe. Today, the almighty answer is that we must seek the blue ocean strategy in exploring any sort of opportunities in all scales. So, my advice to all the undergraduates is to take the fullest advantage of your much privileged free education system.
Hi, everyone. Greetings from Sydney. I'm Samit Gunasekara, and I'm a senior principal and a project director at Tetra Tech Coffee. Tetra Tech is one of the largest engineering consultancies in the world. I obtained my civil engineering degree from University of Moratuwa in 1987, and within 6 months of graduation, I had many offers from universities in Canada and the US to go over there and study civil engineering. I believe the main reason why I got these offers with full funding to study for master's degrees was because the strength of the civil engineering degree that I obtained from University of Moratuwa. I'm very grateful for the decision I took to study civil engineering at Moratuwa, as it set me up well professionally and in life. I'm confident that those undergraduates who choose to study civil engineering will benefit the same way I did. I wish you all the best.
I graduated from the Department of Civil Engineering at University of Moratuwa in 1997 with first class honors. After gaining 2 years of industrial experience in structural design and constructions, I received prestigious IPRS scholarships from Australian government to pursue PhD and successfully completed my PhD in 2003. I joined Robert Bird Group in 2007, which is one of the leading structural consultancy firms for high-rise buildings in the world. Since then, I have led teams carrying out analysis and design for a number of iconic buildings projects in Australia and overseas, including Dubai, Malaysia, and United Kingdom. In fact, I had greatest privilege of being part of designing team of the second tallest building in the world, which is 118-story building, which is called Merdeka 118 in Malaysia, and also Sydney's tallest building, which is 72-story building for Crown Resort and Casino. My undergraduate training I got from Department of Civil Engineering at University of Moratuwa gave me the confidence to design these buildings. I believe Department of Civil Engineering at University of Moratuwa is one of the best in the world with highly qualified lecturers, and their guidance helped me to achieve my career aspirations.
And it's not only in just engineering firms that are looking for your skills. Our graduates have also found success in the world of finance using their knowledge of infrastructure and construction to analyze risk and make better investment decisions. But wait, there's more. The tech industry needs your skills too. Our graduates have used their knowledge of complex systems to design and develop software and hardware solutions for the world's leading tech companies.
I entered the University of Moratuwa 20 years ago in 2003. Today, I'm a research scientist at a tech company called Autodesk. My job is to invent and implement AI tools that can design things better than humans. I've written software that have produced more efficient designs than even NASA JPL. Climate change is the biggest challenge facing humanity right now. So I'm now focusing on making AI systems that can design more sustainable buildings, use less material, last longer, and are more efficient. I can only do this because of the in-depth knowledge about civil engineering I acquired at the Department of Civil Engineering at Moratuwa.
Hi guys, I'm Mahesh Ramanayak. I'm an executive at IBM. I work for IBM in Australia now, but I joined IBM in Sri Lanka 30 plus years ago. What do I do at IBM? I provide solutions for extremely complex business problems. Now, you might be wondering why I'm talking to you, to a group of civil engineering prospective students about what I do at IBM. Well, the reason is I did civil engineering at University of Moratuwa. Now, the question is, did doing civil engineering at University of Moratuwa help me? Absolutely, right? It gave me a foundation, right, to think in a very, very logical way. The question that comes to my mind all the time is, would I have done civil engineering if I'm given a choice today? Absolutely, I would have done it.
Finally, some of our graduates have gone on to become researchers and educators exploring cutting-edge technologies like 3D printing in civil engineering, smart cities, sustainable infrastructure, and advanced materials.
Hello everyone, my name is Asita Ratnayaka and I am a third year PhD candidate at the Department of Engineering, University of Cambridge. My research is on measuring and improving construction productivity, or the efficiency of utilizing resources such as labor, materials and equipment in delivering construction projects. This is one of the biggest issues facing our industry because compared to industries such as manufacturing, construction has consistently shown low levels of productivity, which leads to the waste of money and time and also high carbon emissions. Because of my passion for civil engineering, I chose the Department of Civil Engineering, and that was one of the best times in my life. We have one of the best panels of lecturers who have studied and worked all over the world. And the Department of Civil Engineering has a very good reputation among the global community of universities because every year we send a number of students to study for masters and PhDs.
So, as you start your journey in civil engineering, remember that the skills you're learning have the potential to take you anywhere. You can make a difference in civil engineering project management, finance, IT, administration, academia, and beyond. Keep studying hard and the world will be your oyster. As you have seen previously, the Department of Civil Engineering at University of Moratuwa has involved in many revolutionary activities. With that, you can imagine the extraordinary abilities of our department. The students in the Civil Engineering Department are not only capable in academic and technical activities but also in teamwork, leadership, and creativity. Civil Engineering Society is the main official body looking after the students' welfare. Civil Engineering Society has done many things for the betterment of both the students and the department, such as running the CES bookshop, photocopy center, department canteens, and providing financial support for students. In addition, CES initiated Skill Up with CES webinar series as a new event in 2021 for students to meet the professionals and discover more along curious topics in the field. Furthermore, CES organizes the student competitions Spaghetti Bridge competition, the INSEE IESL Concrete Mix Design competition, where the best teams will get the opportunity to compete at the inter-university competitions. In addition to the events, those organized by the CES, the staff and the students are keen in giving the prominence for the social harmony and strengthening the bond between different cultures. Civil engineering undergraduates are known for their dedication and hard work, but what many people may not realize is that they also have a great sense of humor. From building quirky structures to staging elaborate pranks, these students know how to have fun while still maintaining their focus on academics. In addition to the events shown previously, from here onwards, you can take a closer look at some of the memories of civil engineering students' life. engineering students' batch trip videos showcase the excitement and unique experiences of traveling with a group of like-minded individuals. If you're looking to explore new destinations, build new friends, or have unique opportunities for personal growth, these batch trip videos will give you the best inspirations. Dear new civil engineering undergraduates, it is with great pleasure and excitement that we welcome you all to the Department of Civil Engineering. You have made a wise choice by embarking on your path, and we are honored to have you join our community of scholars, innovators, and problem solvers. As you begin your journey, we want you to know that we are here to support you every step of your way. You are not just students to us, but part of a family that is passionate about creating a better world through engineering. So, once again, welcome to our family. We look forward to seeing all the amazing things you will achieve in the years to come.